It is January 2025 and the temperatures are dropping like crazy. While the snow may look beautiful and everybody's super excited to build some snowman, there is a danger that weather like this can have to your property. If you're new here, my name is Mike G, Delta Public Adjusting, where we've helped homeowners recover millions of dollars in property insurance claims. And in this video, we're going to be going over how temperatures like this can be a danger to your home and how you can protect yourself. Let's get into it. We're not holding back any punches here. We're going straight into the craziness. Yeah, the water itself is going to damage things, but it's the mildew, mold that starts growing inside the walls, on the floors, underneath the subfloor. What's crazy is the tear outs. When water mitigation companies come in and they tear everything out, your house looks like a bomb went off. I don't know why they're just filming this, why they're not going to turn off the water, the main water line. Most homes have a water shut off. Hopefully that never happens to you, but if it does, run to your water shut off, turn off that water, because your insurance policy actually dictates you to mitigate any further damage. They cover accidental and direct physical loss, but if you just sit there and you start recording the water and you don't try at all to turn off the water, insurance is gonna look at that video and be like, dude, what are you doing? This next video, this guy has some pretty good tips and tricks. This is stuff that your dad should have taught you. If your dad didn't teach you, I'm here teaching you right now. So we're in this together. So let's go ahead and take a look.
Easy thing you can do is just open cabinets around faucets to help regulate temperatures. You can also set a drip on your faucet. This doesn't have to be for every faucet.
My guy said set a drip. That's a whole flow, my friend. There you go, that's the drip.
And water will help the pipes from freezing. You want to keep all your interior doors open to keep an even...
Now the opening of the doors, I'm gonna be honest with you, I would risk the pipe burst because I get scared keeping my doors open. I don't know, there's ghouls, monsters, ghosts, whatever it is. I keep my doors closed at night. I'll let the faucets drip. I'll plug the outdoor faucets with little styrofoam. I'll keep the heater up, no problem. Keeping the doors open at night? Nah, we'll let those pipes burst.
And many water supply lines flow through your garage. So close the door to keep all your pipes warm and cozy.
What is this? What is up with this guy and just open doors? What do you mean close the door to the garage? My garage door is closed all the time. Maybe I'm the crazy one. Comment down below if any of you psychopaths leave your door open, your garage door open just on a nightly basis. Now this next one, we know we got to get the OG. You know, if we're talking about weather, we got to get real scientifical here.
Drops. The pipes have a certain strength. Copper pipes, they're rigid, so the water's in there. And now the temperature begins to drop. The water wants to turn to ice, but it can't because the pipe is containing it. So it just sits there at 32 degrees as water, even though the temperature outside is dropping below 32 degrees, okay? And it still sits there, gets to 30 degrees, 29. The pipe is squeezing the attempt of this water to become ice.
I love Neil. I love the way he talks about anything. He could be talking about oranges at the grocery store and make the story sound epic.
You get a point where the pipe can no longer contain the water and the water freezes spontaneously. It just goes right down to that temperature and the pipe is helpless in the face of this.
Listen, if you made it this far in the video, go ahead and comment down below. I'm interested to know what are some tips and tricks you do. Subscribe, it's free 99. It'll be greatly appreciated. I'll catch you on the next one.